Wow, what was that? Thought I saw a UFO. No, it's not a UFO. It's a 60-minute timer made in Germany. Wow, very cool. Yeah, look at the dust on there. Sometimes you gotta dig a little bit on the internet to find the really good stuff. These exclusives basically will be gone one of these. You can only find at your sponsor. You gotta search the internet, people. It's a big, big place and there are deals all over the place. Don't stick to one big box store, even 2 or 3. They all push a bunch of crap. So this is the good stuff right here. And yeah, check them out at your sponsor right there. Thumbs up, keep cooking. Have a great day. Walnut end grain. American made blended rock maple. American made dark walnut. Custom islands, all shapes and sizes.